Hey guys, come get ready with me as I do my hair, my lashes, my nails. Come DIY everything with me for my birthday tomorrow. I'm so excited. I'm going to start with washing and styling my hair. I'm gonna have a straight wig on, but before I put a wig on, I have to make sure that my natural hair is nice and protected, and I'm going to do a simple protective hairstyle for when I take off the wig. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna jump right into the shower and have my hair washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and all the good stuff, and then style it in mini braids, which will be the base for my wig. So let's jump right into it. So this is how my hair is looking right now. This is an old Bantu twist style, Bantu not out. So I'm going to wash my hair right now in the shower. So this is how my hair is looking, all nice and conditioned and detangled. I think I'm just gonna do a co-wash. I'm not gonna use any shampoo because the last time I washed it a week ago, I used shampoo and it tends to strip my hair dry. I'm going to go ahead and rinse off the conditioner and then I'll jump right into the styling. So this is me right after the shower. I washed, conditioned my hair, and I also took a shower. And right now I'm going to be using my Cantu Sheer Butter Define and Shine Custard, and also mixing my leave-in conditioner from What a Curl Wants, and also curl shaping gel. This is the cocktail that I'll be using on my hair as I simple braid my hair. Yeah, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be doing 2 braids from each twist. This is how our hair is looking. I'm done with the braids and now I'm going to jump right into the lashes. So this is how my lashes look naturally. I kind of have long natural lashes, but I want something different for my birthday, so I'm going to put on my fake lashes off camera because I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I'm terrible at this, but I'm going to attempt to put lashes on. Oh, I really love these braids. They look so beautiful. I mean, look at that. My hair is growing. I'm going to attempt to put my falsies on. So this is the before. And this is the after. I love the fact that it's not too much. It's just a little bit of volume. These are the same lashes that I used on my wedding. I did them myself. These are the lashes that I used. And this is the glue that I used. Brush it on. And then a little tweezer to put it on there. I ended up using my hands because this was making things complicated. I also bought this so that I can use it to, I don't know, I see girls using it, but I don't want to mess it up because this took me almost 25 minutes to do. It was not easy. I couldn't see myself putting it there and having all my lashes go off with it. That would have made me cry, so I didn't want to risk that. And before I jump into the nails, these are my nails and I'm going to put falsies on. Press on nails. I have 2 sprays. I feel like I should spray my hair so that when I do a braid out this week after my birthday is over, the braids come out luscious and beautiful. I want it to hold really nicely, so I don't know if I should use this or this. Hair thickening, professional blowout, control freeze. I kind of like freeze on natural hair because it's what gives it volume. I think I'm gonna go with this instead of the one that controls freeze. Just a little bit. Yeah. So right now I'm going to do my nails. So tomorrow we're gonna work on our hair and our makeup. So right now I'm going to install my wig, and these are the things that I have: wig strap, spray, and other things to use for it. I'm going to do it off camera because it's always a struggle. But yeah, let's jump right into it. This with an address. This was my outfit of the day. I thought it was so cute. I really love the gold and cream theme. Yeah, this is just me taking pictures and videos. I did everything myself. I did my hair, my makeup, my nails, and I was so impressed that everything came out so cute. And my husband got me these very beautiful flowers that I loved so much. And then he surprised me by taking me to this place we've always wanted to go to. I was so excited. We went to the hotel in downtown. We took the elevator and went all the way up. The restaurant was all the way on the rooftop, so we went there. And because it was raining, the windows and the blinds were closed, so we didn't have the perfect view of the city, but it was really nice still. And the fact that we are both foodies, this was a perfect birthday dinner. We enjoyed a lot of food. I ordered for a filet mignon. My husband ordered for a fancy fish, and we also tried poutine because I have my Canadian friend who's been telling me how poutine is so good and I should try it out. So we ordered for poutine also, and it's good. It's really good. It reminded me of Ugandan lasagna, where you have like fries in a stew, and it's so good. We really enjoyed our food. It was so delicious. I kept stealing my husband's food because his fish was so delicious. So good. I don't even know how they made it, but if I could, I really want to replicate it at home if I knew the ingredients. It was really good. And also the fact that this was my first ever birthday with my husband in person, I was really happy. Everything was just making me so happy. In fact, she also asked me, why are you so happy? Because my happiness was vivid. Everything was just making me happy, even a tiny little thing. I didn't even know what to tell him. It was just a beautiful day. And the fact that we had a lot that we'd accomplished this week, and then wrapping up the week with such a celebration made my heart full. I think that is the reason why I was extremely happy like this. Yeah, this is us enjoying our dinner, and then it was time for me to blow the candle. I did it simple here. The restaurant gave me a scoop of ice cream with a candle, and my husband told me to make a wish before I blew it, but I felt like I didn't even have a wish to make because I feel like I have everything that I've ever hoped for in life. And the ice cream was really good. It tasted like a homemade vanilla ice cream, which I really loved. And yeah, that was it for our birthday dinner. I want to say this is one of the best birthdays I've ever had, and I'm so happy that I spent it with my husband. And I know that as I've started this year in happiness and laughter and joy and love, that is how the whole year is gonna be. And I'm really grateful, and I'm happy, and I'm hopeful for the future. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming with me. That's all for my video. Bye.